message is transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. At approximately 12:00 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the message explosion was reported in the vicinity of Times Square in downtown Manhattan. It is unknown at this time what caused this explosion, but it is estimated that as far as the half-mile radius surrounding Times Square has been severely impacted, making it extremely hazardous to travel. At this time, it is unknown how many fatalities are present, but the number is expected to be high. It is also unknown if this was the result of a nuclear attack. However, all residents within a mile radius of the Times Square area are advised to seek shelter immediately and to put as many layers between you and the outdoors as much as you can, such as closing your windows if you are living in an apartment, closing doors if you are living in a residential home, and turning off all heating, ventilation, and air conditioning units, as a potential nuclear attack may produce fallout, a product of nuclear attacks that can prove fatal following prolonged exposure. Do not use your telephone, as telephone lines must be kept open for emergency purposes.